This is a finished zine, laid out in normal reading order. Here's how PDF Press folds it into a print and fold mini-zine in about a minute. Open the zine tool and drop your PDF onto the canvas. PDF Press reads the pages and imposes the zine automatically. Now just pick your fold. Half is a single center fold, with 2 pages on each side of the sheet. Quarter adds a second fold and 1 cut, giving you 4 panels a side. And mini is the classic 8-page zine, folded and cut from a single sheet. Every panel is rotated and reordered for you. See how some panels sit upside down? That's intentional. Once it's folded and cut, every page reads upright, in order. Use the live preview and page numbers to check it before printing. Then hit download for a print-ready PDF. Print it double-sided, fold, make 1 cut, and your zine is done. It's free, runs in your browser, and nothing is ever uploaded.